Are you looking for the best manual fruit juicer press? Well, we've got this one right here. Figured I'd show this thing off to you guys today. So go ahead and open this bad boy on up and see what we got on the inside. If y'all find this video helpful, definitely appreciate you guys hooking up that up for me right there. So it comes a little bag in a box right there. Man, this thing is all made out of metal right here. This thing looks awesome. You got a nice big opening right there to be able to put whatever it is that you're squishing on into there. You got the nice big handle to be able to just mash it on down. And then what's really cool is that this part right here actually comes out, and this is the hole that's going to squeeze all the juice through. It simply sits on the inside right there on those two little nougats, one on either side. And so you have basically like a little cavity, a little compartment for all of the juice to be able to go down into. And then you have this spout on the side right here so that after you're done squishing, you can take your cup and just easily pour right on into there. That is super cool. Also love the design with the 4 feet also built into the unit. 2 at the handle and then 2 on the bottom of that bucket area, so it'll sit nice and easily on the table just like this. Also, this is nice and flat right here, so if you wanted to put it vertically into wherever you plan on storaging it, you can do that as well. Super cool. All right, I got an orange right here. I want to test this thing on out and see exactly how it works. So I'm just going to slice this thing in half so we can get to the good stuff. And then I'm just going to simply take this. I guess I just put it right on in. It's actually, look at this. It's actually a little bit bigger than the where the hinge is right there. So we'll test it that way. If I need to, though, I could probably turn it that way. Actually, that way might be even better because now the inside of the orange is facing those holes right there. So the juice will be able to get out faster. I'm actually going to do it this way. So now I'm just going to simply press. Let me get the cup ready right here. It's got that cavity in there where all the juice is going to sit, so I don't think that I need to do anything as far as like trying to keep it over a bowl or a cup. I can just simply squeeze. And oh, what's another nice thing about these feet, just realizing this as I'm doing it, is that you can put it down, and if you need to really press down onto here, you can really get some good leverage out of that, which is awesome. Man, this thing is massively squeezing this thing. Wow. Can y'all see that? I don't know if y'all can. Let me bring you guys on down. Look at that. Like, totally pulverizing it. Okay, the question is now, how much juice did we get on out of this thing? Let's go ahead and grab our cup right here, and let's pour it on in and see what we were able to extract. Oh, yeah. Look at that. Nicely done. Oh, that worked like a charm right there. Okay, now let me bring you guys back on down. Look, y'all, I'm going to open this on up so y'all can see what it looks like on the inside. So as you can see, simply pulling this right on up. And I mean, it did a fantastic job of squeezing everything out of there. And then now I can take that out, put in the next one, and you are good to go. That is super cool. Man, I'm impressed by how well this thing worked. That is awesome. Let's see if I can squeeze out just a little bit more. Can we get just a tiny bit more? Oh, got it. Look at that. Look at that. Getting it all out right there. Oh, yeah. Man, if y'all are looking for an excellent just manual hand press for a juicer, for lemons, limes, oranges, I mean, anything that you want to squeeze the juice out of, this is perfect for that. Y'all definitely need to go and grab y'all one of these right here if this is something that you want. I don't know if they make this in different sizes or different colors or anything like that. Y'all definitely need to go and check out the product listing below. And if they do, they'll have all the different options that you can choose from on there. That way you guys can go and pick out the one that's going to be the best for you. But y'all definitely need to go and grab y'all one of these if this is something that you're looking for. Y'all let me know if this was helpful. If it was, there's that helpful right there. Definitely appreciate you guys picking that up for us. Y'all go and add this to your cart. And thank you to these guys for sending this to me so I can show it off to y'all. Thank y'all for watching, and Dad out.